Yeah, me notice somehow no husband when you not look woman you not have only per requirement. Number one, somehow you no want a woman we a road peg you no want a woman we stay in a house. You no claim say fi fool no type of wife material a woman we fi stay in a house and a woman where there road where every jump on and not because you no want a street rat. Because you not play ninja turk like them type of woman don't no want baby no mind job fool no perfect world. Fool no woman does get up all Saturday daytime go along a market go buy everything we no want cock up a menu. Come home and put on pattern when you look at pea soup a boil, you no get it and drink off the whole eye and bow, you no done and belch. You no friend a call, you no get up, go on a road boat, you no go and knock them in you. According to some and then by the time you no go on and do that, woman for the day again and put on piece of soap for tomorrow for Sunday dinner and a mind chop season, it one up on a chicken parts. For no can get the venue next day for Sunday dinner well marinated, them the lifestyle you no want. And when you no go on a road after the soup drinking, Saturday daytime, sometime you know they are treat all God Almighty night, you know come back in till all 1 minute before daylight Sunday morning. And no man they are yard again a great to make chocolate for to get chocolate tea for drink and then the type of lifestyle you don't want baby, but you not happy with me. And me if you tell you about it, baby, someone no need to get alive. Me nah have no man we a turn road peggy per road and their road every God Almighty they are Mr. Dog now so one bench and a hook like me a slave. Me nah no time feed someone no need forget to no ask them together. Only no one woman for go nowhere, I know they are treat every God Almighty night, every jump and when I kuno de I know they are road, I wind up and down with them and I do all kind of sit in a blood off and a hot up and I do everything and a gas like a do all I know what they are road at night time, you know have gas. And that you know they are do road, I do a one want to sit down in the house, baby, then they sitting in a hot again. So my time you know look man no one if you do them here. No mind shop you know one enter na yard and wear shiny bump in a ear, you know want no makeup. But the girl them you know they are road a blood off and a hot walk on night time and falls here, they have all both in on no face. Daylight you know come in appear here, they all both put no clothes and makeup. But you don't want to the right one for turn a yard, me nah no time feet. You know want all Christian no man, me nah no man where me a Christian and him till they run road and come in at night time for come contaminate up my body when me a save for God. Me no in night baby before say me can find a man we in a church too, but me no want no worldly and man. I mean nah nothing else at all. I tell you no bandits more than no forget to ask them together because the man with me have we a God treat, me can God treat with him too. I mean nothing else at all. I tell you no bandits decides get to knock them together and top take come and turn idiot. All the British. Me nah nothing more I tell you no bandits. Alright.